video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to edit text in Premiere Pro in under 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So first we're gonna take the video we're gonna work on. We're gonna add the text wherever we want to add it. And let's say example. So here we're gonna click on Effects Control, and we have a lot of options. We can change the typo, for example, or if it's centered or not. We can change the color, we can make any color we want. We can add stroke or change the background, change the shadow. So in Effects Control, you can control any effect you have in Premiere Pro. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.